I'm going to be showing you how to go live on eBay Stream. So to go live and stream on eBay, you need to use eBay Live. So it's just part of eBay. Sellers use it to show products on video and sell them in real life. So here's the simple step-by-step process. So the first thing you need to know is check if you're eligible. Not every seller can stream yet. So usually you must have an active eBay seller account, be in good standing, and have products ready to sell. So you just need to apply for eBay Live access. Some regions and accounts are invited first, but you need to check if you are. And you should just apply for eBay Live. Also download the eBay Live app. So just go to your app store. As you can see, it's right there. And once you do so, just look at the bottom right where you can see this search icon. Just tap here and now select eBay Live app. So see if you have that app in your region. And if you do, then it's pretty simple. You can just open that app, and inside that app, you can create a live event. And this way you can successfully go live on eBay Stream. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.